Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to search on your iPad in 2025. With Apple's latest updates, searching has become even faster and smarter, making your iPad experience a breeze. Whether you're a newbie or a longtime user, this guide will help you find what you need in seconds. First off, let's start with the most straightforward way to search: Spotlight Search. To access it, simply swipe down from the middle of your home screen. That's right, no more fumbling through apps. Once you're in Spotlight, type in your query. For example, if you're looking for a photo of your last vacation, just type "vacation photos" and it'll pull up results from your Photos app, Notes, and even emails. In 2025, Apple has enhanced this with AI-powered suggestions, so it might even recommend related content based on your habits. Next, if you're browsing the web, open up Safari. It's still the go-to browser on iPad. Tap the address bar at the top, and you can search directly using Google, Bing, or your preferred engine. Pro tip: use voice search by holding down the home button or saying, "Hey Siri," to search hands-free. This is perfect for when you're multitasking, like cooking while looking up a recipe. Don't forget about app-specific searches. In apps like Messages or Files, there's often a search icon in the top right corner. Tap it and enter your keywords to filter through conversations or documents quickly. For 2025 models, look out for the new Universal Search feature, which lets you search across multiple apps at once without switching between them. One common mistake is not using filters. In Spotlight or Safari, you can refine your search by adding words like "in Photos" or "on YouTube" to get more precise results. This saves time and frustration. Finally, practice makes perfect. Try searching for something right now and see how intuitive it is. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPad tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.